IKEA released so many new products this spring. We covered some of them in my latest video, but I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're doing a part 2. I'm Man, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so we can start right away. We are starting off with this set of 3 LED table lamps. These 3 battery-operated lamps are so decorative, they glow with a cozy flickering light reminiscent of candles. These also come with a charging tray, which is so cool and practical. Next one is this wall organizer with pegboard. This one looks so cute. The compartment is great for organizing magazines, books and notes, and on the pegboard front it's easy to add the Scottish accessories for organizing smaller things such as keys and photos. Great for organizing in a hallway or other limited spaces. Another product from the new IKEA spring collection is this display shelf. This one is great for displaying things like decor and books, but can also be mounted in the kitchen if you want to organize your spices as nice interior detail. Just loving this one. And when we're talking about organization product, I have to mention IKEA's new box collection. These durable metal boxes look so good while organizing so much. They come in a few different shapes and sizes, and I love all of them. IKEA has always been known for its quality, yet budget-friendly bed linens. They always come in fun and interesting prints and patterns, and this year is no different. Just check out this duvet and pillow cover set with a graphic pattern in these gorgeous on-trend gray-green tones. Also, this one in this timeless white and gray floral pattern. I just love the edges bent on the pillowcases. It adds such a decorative detail. This one's made of pure cotton and it's $39.99 for a queen size. There are so many new throws at IKEA this spring, but this one is my absolute favorite. This soft knitted throw comes in a few different colors and they are all beautiful. I'm definitely getting the beige one. A set of vases that's new at IKEA is this one. These glass vases come in a set of 3 for $17.99. Now we have to talk about a new IKEA series for patios, balconies and gardens. This new series is called Segron and is the perfect mix of the relaxing Mediterranean oasis with a hint of a calm Japanese garden. First, check out this 3-seat conversion set in this beautiful off-white color. This one looks so minimalistic and sleek. Even though the cushion color is in such a light color, it's water resistant and so easy to keep clean and fresh as you can take it off and machine wash it. And the best part is that this whole series is modular, which means you can combine different seating sections to create a sofa in a shape and size that perfectly suits your outdoor space. Another product from that same collection is this modern armchair. I feel like it's so hard to find nice looking and comfortable outdoor chairs that are durable at the same time, and I think these are just that. These come with the cushion included and come in 2 beautiful colors. Also, these 2 bar stools are just gorgeous. They are totally giving me those Bali vibes. They are made of a powder-coated steel frame and a hand-woven rope. Another new outdoor collection is this one. These look so sleek and are a great option for smaller spaces. The chairs can be stacked one on top of the other, and the table folds flat to save space. You can get this separately or as a set for $369. A new coffee table that caught my eye is this coffee table with storage. This one looks so nice while storing so much. You can use it for storing tableware, cushions, or even furniture covers. Also, this one made out of plastic rattan. This one absolutely looks like it's made of natural rattan, but the plastic one is definitely a more durable option for outdoor use. And when we are talking about outdoor and patio furniture, I just have to mention this privacy screen. I feel like anyone with a backyard, balcony, or patio could use this screen. It looks so nice while helping you create a comfy living room feel outdoors. Now, I've mentioned some of the new lights for this spring in my previous video, however, today we have some more. First, check out these two outdoor LED table lamps. These come in two different shapes and sizes, the smaller one for $6.99 and the larger one for $14.99. I'm so into camping and this looks so cute, giving the coziest vibes. Also, this small pendant lamp that gives a nice decorative light. These come in two colors for $11.99. There are a few new plant pots this season, but these hanging ones are my absolute favorites. Other than looking super cute, these help you save floor space and create inspiring vertical horticulture. Also, this simple and timeless plant pot with saucier. This one comes in two different sizes, the smaller one for $6.99 and the larger one for $15.99. This flower box is another new product at IKEA this spring. This sustainable beauty is made out of sustainably sourced solid wood, which is a durable and renewable material that maintains its genuine character with each passing year. Just loving it. And if you enjoy gardening and planting, this set of 3 gardening tools is just for you. These are made of a very durable plastic reinforced with fiberglass. Another new at IKEA product I really like is this stackable lunchbox. This one is perfect for foods like pasta or salads, since you store your food separately in 2 layers. Such an amazing product for $4.99. And last, but definitely not least, I just had to mention these 2 new budget dining chairs. This first one is $65 and comes in black and white. I really wanted to share this one since I think it's the perfect combination for those who like design with clean lines and want a modern style chair with great comfort. And the second one is this wooden chair with a minimalistic, slightly angled backrest and generous seat. This one comes at $55 and it's inspired by Swedish furniture tradition. I feel like this one is great for DIYers. I can see so much potential in it, and for a price like that, I think we can make a flip in some of my next videos. What do you think about the new IKEA products? Do you like them? And which one was your favorite? Let me know by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, make sure to check out part 1 of this video, where I share many more new IKEA products for spring 2023. And of course, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss another video again. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Say bye! Say subscribe to the channel. Everyone wants to see you in a video. Maybe we'll make one just for you. Would you approve?